are you? Meet again with Autechno channel team. This time we will review SCG004 Coming with Nissan GT R Engine tuned to 700 horsepower. Watch to finish. Have a good time watching. SCG004 Coming with Nissan GT R Engine tuned to 700 horsepower. America's Scuderia Cameron Glickenhaus, SCG, is taking a shot at another game's auto with a focal driving position and a standard gated shifter, and no move box will be accessible. It's known as the SCG004, and like the SCG003 supercar from SCG, it will be offered in street and race trim, and also a half-breed form that can legitimately be driven at about, however effectively changed into a race auto with just a couple of mods. SCG gave us our first take a gander at the street-going rendition of the auto, the SCG004S, last November. Furthermore, the organization on Thursday gave us our first take a gander at the race form, the SCG004C, as some secret portrayals. SCG has already expressed it is taking a gander at the same GT3 and SPX for the German VLAN race arrangement classes as the SCG003C for the race rendition. In any case, this time around the organization is additionally arranging GTE, GT Le Mans and GT Force spec autos. SCG is wanting to have two SCG004C race autos prepared to contend in 2019, likely beginning with the 2019 24 Hours of Nürburgring, the feature of the VLAN arrangement. SCG organizer James Glickenhaus last objective is to race the SCG004C in the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Concerning the SCG004S street auto, it's relied upon to begin conveyances not long from now. The beginning cost is set at $400,000, placing it into a comparable association as autos like the Ford GT and Lamborghini Aventador. The SCG, obviously, is significantly more select. SCG has likewise affirmed to Autocar that the SCG004S will be controlled by a tuned variant of the 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6 fitted to the Nissan GT R. The organization already declared a 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 yet chose to run with the GT R motor as a result of its lighter weight and demonstrated sturdiness. SCG's tuned GT R motor is required to convey 700 pull and base trim. An adaptation of the motor will likewise control the SCG004C race auto. As said before, SCG will likewise offer a form of the auto that can be driven at about yet can likewise be dashed. This one is known as the SCG004CS, and Glickenhaus wants to drive it from his lodging to the 2019 24 Hours of Nürburgring and hand it over to his race group to rival in the tiring race. Alterations required to change the auto from street to race trim will incorporate swapping the emanation's consistent street motor for the race form, and likely including some more forceful. So a review of the SCG004 Coming with Nissan GT R Engine tuned to 700 horsepower. Thanks for watching Autechno channel. Do not forget to like and subscribe to get the latest information about automotive and technology. Greetings car lover. Regard. Autechno channel.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's